Have you ever tried cardamom tea before? If so, how do you like to prepare it? What's your favorite way to enjoy cardamom? In tea, desserts, or savory dishes? 3. Did you know about the health benefits of cardamom tea before watching this video? Which one surprised you the most? Are you looking for a delicious aromatic tea that boosts your health? Meet cardamom tea, the hidden gem of herbal drinks. Better digestion, heart-healthy benefits. Rich in antioxidants, boosts metabolism. This ancient spice has been cherished for centuries for its incredible health perks and unique flavor. Stay tuned as we explore the benefits, recipes, and tips to make the perfect cup of cardamom tea. Let's get brewing. Cardamom tea is a fragrant and flavorful beverage that has been cherished for centuries across different cultures. Made from the seeds or pods of the cardamom plant, Elateria cardamomum, this tea offers a unique combination of sweet, spicy, and citrusy flavors. Beyond its delightful taste, cardamom tea is packed with health benefits, making it a popular choice among herbal tea enthusiasts. In this comprehensive guide, we explore the history, benefits, preparation methods, and cultural significance of cardamom tea. History and cultural significance of cardamom tea. Ancient origins. Cardamom is one of the world's oldest spices, originating from the tropical forests of India, Sri Lanka, and Bhutan. Ancient texts from Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, mention cardamom as a powerful digestive aid and a remedy for various ailments. Middle Eastern and Arabic influence. In Middle Eastern cultures, cardamom is a staple ingredient in teas and coffees. Arabic hospitality often includes serving cardamom-infused beverages as a sign of respect and warmth. Scandinavian and European use. Interestingly, Scandinavians have also embraced cardamom in both culinary and tea-making traditions. The spice arrived in Europe through trade routes, and over time, it became a key ingredient in many desserts and teas. Health benefits of cardamom tea. 1. Improves digestion. Cardamom tea is well known for its digestive properties. It helps relieve bloating, indigestion, and gas. The natural oils in cardamom stimulate saliva production and activate enzymes necessary for proper digestion. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Cardamom is loaded with antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Boosts heart health. Studies suggest that cardamom may help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. Its diuretic properties help regulate blood pressure by promoting the elimination of excess fluids. 4. Supports respiratory health. Cardamom tea is a traditional remedy for respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. The spice acts as an expectorant, helping clear mucus from the airways and promoting easier breathing. 5. Aids in detoxification. The detoxifying properties of cardamom help flush out toxins from the body, promoting liver and kidney health. Drinking cardamom tea regularly can support the body's natural detoxification processes. 6. Enhances mental clarity and mood. Cardamom contains compounds that have been linked to improved mental alertness and mood enhancement. The pleasant aroma of cardamom has been used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and anxiety. 7. Supports weight loss. Cardamom tea can aid in weight management by improving metabolism and reducing cravings. It also has mild appetite-suppressing properties, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. 8. Promotes oral health. Cardamom has natural antimicrobial properties that help fight bacteria in the mouth, reducing bad breath and improving oral hygiene. 9. Regulates blood sugar levels. Some studies indicate that cardamom may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or insulin resistance. 10. Boosts immunity. Cardamom is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C and minerals that enhance the immune system, helping the body fight infections and illnesses. How to make cardamom tea. There are several ways to prepare cardamom tea, depending on personal preferences and regional variations. Basic cardamom tea recipe. Ingredients: 2 or 3 cardamom pods, lightly crushed. 1 cup of water. 1 teaspoon honey, optional. 1 slice of lemon, optional. Instructions: bring the water to a boil in a small pot. Add the crushed cardamom pods. Reduce heat and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup and add honey or lemon if desired. Enjoy your warm and fragrant cardamom tea. Spiced cardamom tea, masala chai. Ingredients: 3-4 cardamom pods, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 1 black tea. Bag: 1 cup water, 1 2-cup milk, 1 teaspoon sugar or honey. Instructions: boil water with the cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. Add the black tea bag and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour in milk and sweetener, stirring well, strain and serve hot. Variations of cardamom tea. 1. Green tea with cardamom. Green tea leaves infused with cardamom create a refreshing and antioxidant-rich beverage. 2. Ginger and cardamom tea. A powerful blend that combines the digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits of both ginger and cardamom. 3. Cold brew cardamom iced tea. Perfect for summer, this version involves steeping cardamom in cold water overnight for a smooth, refreshing drink. 4. Turmeric and cardamom tea. A healing combination that enhances anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for joint and immune health. Side effects and precautions. While cardamom tea is generally safe, there are some considerations. People with gallstones should avoid excessive cardamom consumption. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a doctor before drinking cardamom tea regularly. Those on blood pressure medication should monitor their intake, as cardamom may have mild blood pressure lowering effects. Cardamom tea in Ayurveda and traditional medicine. Ayurvedic practitioners have long used cardamom for its healing properties. According to Ayurveda, cardamom helps balance the kapha and vata doshas while stimulating pitta. This makes it beneficial for improving digestion, reducing mucus, and enhancing mental clarity. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, cardamom is used to aid digestion and relieve bloating. Where to buy cardamom for tea? Cardamom can be found in local grocery stores, spice section, specialty tea shops, online marketplaces such as Amazon or health food stores. Conclusion: cardamom tea is a delicious and aromatic beverage that offers numerous health benefits. Whether you drink it for its digestive properties, cardiovascular benefits, or simply for its exquisite taste, incorporating cardamom tea into your routine is a great choice. With various preparation methods and combinations, you can enjoy cardamom tea in a way that best suits your preferences. So, brew a cup, sit back, and indulge in the timeless tradition of cardamom tea.